Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure critical updates are installed and any full-screen apps are closed so settings apply cleanly. Once done, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings to access resolution and scale options. This prevents conflicts. Make a quick note of the current resolution and scale so you can revert if needed. You're doing this to ensure Windows and the GPU aren't fighting over settings, which is often why screens look stretched or fuzzy. Next, choose the recommended resolution from the drop-down. This matches your display's native pixels and gives the sharpest image. If items still look too big or small, change the scaling percent. Use 100% or 125% depending on screen size and eyesight. Click Apply and watch the preview. Windows gives you about 15 seconds to confirm, so make sure everything looks correct. If things shift oddly, revert and try the next lower or higher scaling value to find the best balance. Finally, update or reinstall your graphics driver because many resolution issues come from outdated drivers. Use Device Manager or the GPU maker's utility. Also check the physical cable and port. Older VGA or low-bandwidth HDMI can block higher resolutions and refresh rates. Once updated, restart and confirm resolution and refresh rate settings under Advanced Display Settings. If the problem remains, roll back the driver or swap to a different cable. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves stubborn mismatches between GPU and monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.